Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to remove domain from Google Workspace. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Start by navigating to the Google Workspace homepage. Once you've reached the Google Workspace platform, sign in with the Google account that has administrative privileges to access the settings you need to modify. Once you are on the dashboard. Once inside, direct your attention to the Account section by clicking on the navigation menu within the admin console. Look for the option labeled Accounts. Clicking this will give you access to several account management tools. Now that you're in the Account section, locate and click on Domains. Once there, you'll see different options concerning your existing domains. Select Manage Domains from the menu. This is where you'll handle all details related to domain additions, removals, or adjustments. Since we're focusing on removing a domain, look for the option to deactivate it. Click on Deactivate. This action is vital because it prepares the domain for removal. Make sure you're ready before confirming, since deactivating a domain will remove its functionality from your organization's workspace. Finally, click on Deactivate Test Domain Alias or whichever domain you plan to remove. This final click will complete the process and remove that domain alias from your list. And that's it. So that is how you can remove domain from Google Workspace. So that's all for this video. Thanks.